RoadGlideSully here. I'm putting together a quick video for your viewing pleasure. I had a couple of requests to show the progress of my office build out. And I took a couple of time-lapse videos when I was putting my desk together. I'm building a desk because I wanted it to fit the space a little bit better than something that I could actually go out and buy, and also that's just how I roll. So it's nowhere close to done, but I figured I'd share a little bit of the process with y'all. And I've already been sitting at this desk for a couple of days, working and also smoking a pipe. So this place will allow me to be able to smoke a pipe while I work at home. So I'm excited to get it done, and I'm not quite there yet, but thought I would share a little bit of the process with you. So enjoy.